Hello, day 27. The topic is death. And because that is the topic, I have a guest. This is Horatio. Hello, Horatio. Hello. I'm a terrible ventriloquist. But death is the great equalizer. Death is a counterbalance to life. And knowing that everything is finite, there is a shelf life on just about everything you see around us. Even me, even you, we will all pass on one day. So the question is, what are you going to do with this one precious life? What are you going to do? I'm going to go out and see the world. I'm going to try to make some of the greatest art I can make myself. Learn from people, help people, be helped by people. Try all the foods. I love food. Enjoy the company of friends and family. And try to leave this world better than I came into it. So yeah. This guy. Oh, you'll be seeing him at some point. This is what we all become. Yes. Only an artist would have something like this. So, death comes for us all. But what are you going to do with your one precious life? And that was day 27, death. And I will see you on the next video. Hopefully it won't be so somber. So see you later. Let's look at these notes. Horatio, would you like to look at these notes? This is utter garbage. Oh boy. Death was a topic, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Why'd you say it like that? Bye. Is that you, Horatio? Bye.